Did you know that all children in Wales are entitled to a minimum of 10 hours of early education per week from the term following their 3rd birthday? Foundation Phase Nursery describes the time your child will spend in early education between the ages of 3 and 4. It is a very important phase in your child's life as it lays the building blocks for their future learning. In the foundation phase, children learn through play both indoors and outdoors, which is essential to their educational development. Children are at the centre of their own learning experience. Their interests are taken into account, and they're encouraged to make choices about their learning, which in turn creates more positive attitudes towards learning. All children want to learn, and Foundation Phase Nursery encourages children to play with ideas, experiment, take risks, solve problems, and make decisions. They work on their own and in groups, both large and small, with qualified staff observing and supporting them at all times. They spend a lot of their time outdoors, exploring the world around them through planned and spontaneous activities, which can sometimes get quite messy. This results in a rich learning experience which is practical, fun, and full of hands-on activities, and allows children to develop an understanding of themselves and the world they live in. They develop reading, language, communication, and numeracy skills. They're encouraged to express themselves through dance, art, and music, helping their creative development. And physical activities increase the skill and performance of their bodies. But, most of all, the foundation phase builds children's confidence, self-motivation, and independence, and supports them to develop at their own pace, with their well-being at the heart of everything they do. Foundation phase early education can be delivered in schools and some registered childcare settings. For information on how you can access Foundation Phase in your area, you can contact your local authority or your local Family Information Service.